almost got this patch. Looks good. Let's pile it up. Make sure that seam is completely clean before we patch it. Copy that. Adjusting the angle now. This sandwich is actually really good. Try this orange, it's perfectly ripe.
The incredible Deep Clean Restoration team has performed a miracle here. Look at this transformation.
The key is how the light hits this final texture. It emphasizes the metamorphosis we wanted the viewers to see.
This is surprisingly good for a construction site lunch.
Wow, thank you for watching. We really appreciate it. Yes, and make sure you subscribe to Deep Clean Restoration right now.